Is that cheese pool? That's kind of the color I'm looking for. Oh. What's up, Fire Squad? Where we at, babe?
We are at a late night run to Walmart.
Late night? Yeah, we got to get some things because we're making Philly cheesesteak samosas. It's like triangles, so you'll see. We just got to get a few things first. Green peppers for my Philly cheesesteak triangles making. Find a good one, Sean. Is that a good one? I don't know. What? Ugh, he said this one's good. Nuh-uh, Sean. I think it would be like the darker. Yeah, get that one. I had to get a yellow onion too. Just one. One that don't look, yeah, that looks alright. Thanks for helping, bro. Comment down below. Anybody a fan of Philly cheesesteaks? Growing up, I used to have official Philly cheesesteaks, and like, there's nothing like it. But this is something totally different. Frying it in a tortilla, that's crazy, but we're gonna see how it comes out. Deshaun wants the coconut. I don't know why. Why do you want that coconut, boy?
I want to drink the juice.
You want to drink the juice? I can buy you coconut juice. I'm gonna see if they have tortillas even bigger than this. I want them to be like a half more of the size because the ones I'm making are going to be huge. I guess these are the biggest ones Walmart has, Sean. That'll have to work. All right. And I'm going to get a pack of steakums. I know. Anybody from Philly is going to say, that's not how you do it. Well, we're just making it work with Walmart products. And we're going to get this and then we cook these. If it was up to me, babe, I would be using fresh like sirloin sliced or something. Because that's what they say they do usually. What'd you get? Got your halo top?
And then some salad.
Cool. Back home, it's time to go ahead and get these Philly cheesesteak triangles. It's something really cool and unique. We're excited to make this as a family. Things first, of course, and get the onions and the green peppers cut up. And usually when it comes to Phillies, you do use the onions and green peppers. Some people use different things like, you know, red peppers, or they'll put green chili in it. I'm trying to stay close to the Philly, recipe as possible. Kids are funny about onions. See what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to cut this thin as possible. I might not even use the whole thing. Say hi. Hold on, y'all.
Hi. I want to help.
You can help, but not with the knife, okay? You're gonna help with something else in a second, okay? Cash wants to help too. We'll find something for you to do. What'd you say?
Wait, chef and Cash.
Did you just say you're a chef?
Yeah, and Cash are my chef.
I love it. You're the main chef? Our pack of steakums that we got from our Walmart grocery haul, but at the same time, so it comes with 21 steaks. These Samoas / triangle Philly cheesesteaks aren't going to be but so big. They're probably going to be what, that big? I don't think I'm gonna have to use all 21 of them. Maybe about half of them. Let's see. We got our pan getting hot.
15.
Probably use 15
because that's the small. There's 7 of us.
So most people know what steakums are. It's just very thin cut steak, and they use these sheets of paper to keep them separated. And it's like so thin. Look, paper thin. And then you have to like separate them. Lord, you don't let it defrost with so much, because if you do, it will not come apart. I'm gonna tell you that. All right, steakums, come on, get on here. Let's get going. Yes, today. So once they break up, I'll be able to, because it don't matter if you even can do this if you want. Once it breaks up good, I'll add in even more of it. A little salt and pepper goes a long way, and I'm using this pink Himalayan salt made by Badia. It's not pink on the camera, but it is pink in person. Of course, a little pepper. Come on, there you go. And as you can see, look, it's already cooked the ones on the bottom halfway. Look at that. And then just moving it around, get that all colored. And of course, garlic. Come on now. You cannot do a recipe without some garlic. Not in this house, at least. Faith, you gonna help me cook? Be careful. You gonna bring it? Thank you. Appreciate you, baby. Do it. All right, we're gonna put it in. There goes the onions and green peppers. Just let this saute in the fat from the steakums on this side, and then I'll mix it all in once they cook. And I'm hoping the kids and mom don't mind a little bit, but you need this flavor, I'm telling you. You gotta have it. It's the fun part. Look at Faith. Stop sucking on your shirt, baby. You silly girl. All right, so you're gonna help. Don't worry. We're gonna take out a tortilla. Everybody take one. Go ahead, take one, sir. Faith, take a tortilla. There you go. Now stack them up. Everybody stack it up. Stack them up. Thank you. Stack them up.
My burger, one piece.
You're doing good. Daddy is going to go ahead and cut it down the middle. Back up, okay? I'm going to make sure I get this done right. Now that it's down the middle, this is the way we're going to do it. We're going to take some flour and water mixture. We made like a paste. I didn't show that part because, you know, it's simple. Just flour and water. I need you to go around all the edges, okay, Cash?
Okay.
And then Sean's going to get a turn. Sean's looking like,
Me.
You can do it too. Sean, you can get that and then do the edges of this one. I want you to stay all on the outsides, okay? And then you can give Faith a turn after that. There
Or
you
does
go.
Sean get the attachment?
He said, why does Sean get the fanciest attachment? You silly.
That, literally, this is ratchet.
What's ratchet? The spoon? Stop. Well, you can even use your finger. Go around the edges. Yes, Kendrick's calling me. Okay. Faith, we're supposed to be doing the middle. I mean, the outside. Faith is just doing the middle.
Try.
Okay. You can let him get the brush really quick, Sean, so he can do the outside. We'll give him a new one. Okay, Kendrick. Only the sides, not in the middle, okay? No, not in the middle. Show him, Sean. Try to show your brother.
I'll show him.
Careful. All right. Good job. Yeah, the edges. Good job, guys. Yeah. Now we're gonna take some provolone that we got from Walmart Deli, and we're gonna put it right here, kind of. I don't want it to like go on the edges because it has to do a little fold. Tear the bottom for me.
What are you doing?
And then we'll put 2 pieces of provolone like that. All right, now that we got the provolone down, let's go ahead and put on our, actually no, let's fold it first. All right, if my memory serves me correctly, it goes boom, right? And then I think it goes like this. Yeah. And then like, oh Lord. It goes like this and then like this. So it's supposed to fold at the bottom somewhat. And then you, oh Lordy, I'm a mess. I'm a mess. All right, look, like that. You see? Boom. It's like a cup. My next one would be better, I promise. So go ahead and get the steak mix, and we're gonna stuff it in there, as you can see. And we're just gonna push it down far as we can. We're gonna try to fill this baby up.
And now,
Okay.
that looks so
And then we're gonna seal it. Does that make sense why we brushed it now, Sean?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to seal. Obviously, I'm a noob with this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of more of the flour mixture on the outside to try to help. And then it's gonna seal like that.
You know that's yours, right?
Yeah, the messy one. Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
putting your fingers on.
My hands are clean. Shush. All right, so there and there. Now let's go over to, oh, here it is right here. I'm just gonna do a quick example. This isn't a perfect triangle, of course, but we're gonna put it in the fryer. It should hold in with that flour and water mixture. So let's see how it comes out. Boom, boom. Like I said, my next one would be better. It is coming out a little bit. No, I'm trying. This is the first time making this. Okay, okay, there's that side. Alrighty, boom. Let's go ahead and take that off. Come on, baby. Yeah, don't take long, Sean. Sean's like, it took like a few seconds. Yeah, I'm not just gonna show you the prettiest one. Come on now, I gotta keep it real with y'all. And Sean, don't we keep it 100?
Yeah, but
We
the
ain't
only
capping.
reason why it's not perfect is because he did it.
As you can see, Faith and Cash they're working hard on the edges. Oh my goodness, Faith is just doing the whole middle, y'all.
Is it wishes? I'm my chef, I cash.
Oh, you're a chef?
Yeah, cash.
Oh,
My helping.
okay, thank you, baby.
My dice.
Give it another shot. I'm not saying like the other one ain't gonna be good, but I want it to look a certain way. So far, no bueno. All right, there. Fold that over. All right, let me get a little bit more on the edges on this one. it needed just a hair more. All right, let's go ahead and put some. I have more steak on mix for the Philly cheesesteaks than that, but at the same time, I only brought over a little bit. And as you can see, it's going some type of way, Sean. We're gonna have to see. All right. Uh-oh. Because this time, I'm gonna just fold it in there. I think it might be easier this way instead of like stuffing it, Sean, in the cash.
Yeah.
So let's try that. Boom. And then, come on, baby, stick. Oh. Oh, hold on. Look at that cup, baby. Look at the cup, Sean. Cash, look at the cup. All right, now let's see if it closes up. Hey, can I have some of this flour stuff, girl?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
She's like going crazy over there. Hold on, Sean. Let's see. I'm gonna have to make more of that flour mixture.
Yep.
Come on, stay tight, baby. Stay tight. You can do it. All right, let's see. All right. Oh, it's a triangle, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, better, kind of. The oil's getting a little too hot for me. I have to turn this oil down. All right, we need to work on our stove, honestly. There's a little bit too, it's like off. And comment down below if your stove ever's done this, where you'll put it on a certain temperature, but it'll be way higher than it's supposed to be. Come here, Sean.
Oh my God.
Why are you running? Deshaun's running from me?
I'm trying to get angle, but far.
Yeah, why you say you're trying to get far? Okay, now that one, let's see. That one's that's kind of the color I'm looking for, right there, in the triangle shape. And like I said earlier, I'm making the big ones, so this is, you know, enough to feed, you know, the baby. Will not even finish that, but that's perfect. And then we're gonna make a sauce. Let's go ahead and get forward to us doing a little sauce and a taste test. We're gonna make the sauce, okay?
What's this?
It's for your sauce. We're gonna use some of this Panera Ranch. Boom, boom.
It's gonna be tasty and Papa.
All right. It didn't want to come out, so we're gonna need a good amount for everybody. Just half of that. Then we're gonna add ketchup. I love ketchup with my Philly cheesesteaks. So there's that. Now mix it up, Faith. Go ahead, mix it up, baby. Don't make a mess, okay? Oh, that's kind of like asking a lot, huh? It's okay, baby. I appreciate your efforts. Good job.
It's good.
Yeah, good job, sweetie.
And ketchup might do it.
Oh, good job.
If you never mix ranch or ketchup, you ain't like Cash.
What do you mean?
Cash always be putting ranch and ketchup and mixing it.
With his sauces? Is that true, Cash?
Yes, because it tastes good.
All right,
And it's
baby.
actually in that sauce that you could buy in stores.
Okay, so how does that look? Let's everybody's fingers washed, so get a little on your finger. Mm-hmm. You like it? That's gonna be our little sauce.
Guys, this is actually a real sauce in the stores. You can actually buy it.
Cool. Look at her. Okay, that's. And give this a shot, and the other kiddos. Go ahead.
So do we dip it?
Yeah, you dip it. Go ahead. Dip it in there. Give it a shot. Make sure it's not too hot for the baby. Whoa, whoa! Is that cheese pool? Cheese pool.
Can I see it?
Ooh! All right, Cash turn. He's trying to get his cheese off. He's like, "You better give me that piece of cheese." Go ahead. Ooh.
My turn.
How's it taste?
My turn.
Oh yeah, how's it taste, Sean?
My turn.
Good.
I want
Good.
to.
All right, Kendrick's turn. Kendrick's turn. He wants a bite.
10.
10 out of 10?
It's very crunchy.
Mmm.
That's what you do.
Mmm. Go ahead.
My turn. My.
How is it, Kendrick? Chew it. Okay, baby, get a bite.
It's bussin'.
It's bussin'. All right.